Cougars are fascinating animals that have been around for thousands of years. They are powerful and majestic creatures, but they are also mysterious and misunderstood. In this video, we will look at some of the most interesting cougar facts and explore why these animals are so important to our environment. From their diet to their behavior, we will uncover the truth about cougars and how they interact with the world around them. Cougars are one of the most adaptable animals on the planet. They can live in any type of forest, lowland, and mountainous desert, even with little vegetation. These big cats are incredibly resilient and can survive in a wide range of habitats, from the forests of North America to the high deserts of Mexico. Cougars have adapted to their environment by learning how to hunt a variety of prey and live off what little resources they have available. The cougar is the second largest cat in North America and is often found in remote areas across the continent. The cougar, known by many names including mountain lion, puma, and panther, is an amazing creature that holds a Guinness record for the animal with the highest number of names. This animal is a powerful symbol of strength and grace and has over 40 different names in various languages across the world. From Nidawoozu in Algonquin to puma in Spanish, the cougar has rightfully earned its place as the most named animal on the planet. They are a large and powerful wild cat, and quite different from its other big cat relatives. It cannot roar like lions and tigers, but instead purrs like a house cat. This makes the cougar unique amongst its peers, and it provides an interesting insight into the behavior of these majestic creatures. But that's not all. These fierce felines also make a variety of other sounds ranging from growls and squeaks to hisses and screams. Despite this, cougars are still incredibly powerful predators that can be found in many parts of the world. Cougars' sizes can vary greatly depending on their location. Studies have found that cougar size is affected by the latitude of their habitat, with larger sizes observed in northern latitudes and smaller sizes observed in southern latitudes. By understanding how latitude affects cougar size, conservation efforts can be better tailored to ensure a healthy population of this species. While they may look intimidating, there are many similarities between cougars and house cats in terms of body type. With a closer look at their anatomy, we can see that both cats have a muscular body structure with short legs and long tails that help them balance when leaping between objects. The weight of these majestic creatures can range from 75 to 250 pounds and height averaging 23 to 28 inches, depending on the location and age of the individual animal. While they may not be as fast as cheetahs or as strong as jaguars, they possess remarkable abilities that make them a fierce predator. Not only can they sprint short distances at incredible speeds, but they can also chase over long periods and distances. With speeds ranging from 55 to 72 kilometers per hour, trying to outrun a cougar is a feature that should not be attempted. Besides their speed, they have impressive capabilities, including their ability to bound up to 25 feet in the air and can swim exceptionally well, although they are known to not enter water unless it's absolutely necessary. Not only does this demonstrate the cougar's power and agility, but it also serves as an impressive defense mechanism against potential predators. Despite their reputation as powerful hunters, cougars are surprisingly lacking in one key sense: smell. Recent research has revealed that cougars have a significantly poorer sense of smell than other big cats such as lions and tigers. This reduced sense of smell makes it more difficult for them to track down prey, leading to a reduction in their hunting success. Cougars are formidable predators, yet they don't rely on their sense of smell to hunt. Instead, they use their keen eyesight and sharp hearing to track down prey in the wild. This ability gives them a huge advantage over other species that need to depend on scent for hunting. Their impressive ability to see in low light gives them superior night vision and makes them excellent hunters. This allows cougars to be most active early in the morning and late in the evening when most prey animals are less aware. Cougars can use their superior vision to stalk their prey undetected, giving them a greater chance at success when out hunting. Cougars are apex predators that use their strength and agility to dominate their habitat's food chain. Unlike other cats, cougars generally do not form social groups and instead rely on their own skills to survive in the wild. Despite living alone, adults of this species often leave their kills for other cougars to enjoy, an act of generosity rarely seen in nature. One of these facts is that cougars tend to hide and store their food. This behavior is part of what makes them such successful predators and allows them to survive in a variety of environments. They have the ability to drag these heavy creatures to secluded areas where they can return over several days to feed. This unique hunting technique allows them to maximize the amount of food they can consume while avoiding detection from other predators. Covering the body with sticks and leaves as camouflage, and then returning at intervals over days to feed on it. This cunning behavior demonstrates the intelligence of this apex predator, allowing it to make use of its resources efficiently. While these animals typically prefer larger prey such as deer and elk, they have been known to supplement their diet with smaller items like grasshoppers, crickets, beetles, and more. Insects are an excellent source of nutrients for these apex predators, and their inclusion in their diets is a remarkable adaptation to their environment. Their diet varies depending on location, with some areas providing more abundant options than others. This can even include domestic animals and livestock in certain regions, leading to conflicts between cougars and humans. Cougars are one of the most solitary and elusive wild cats in the world. They usually keep to themselves, avoiding contact with other individuals except during mating season. Cougars possess a unique polygynous mating system in which one male mates with multiple females during the breeding season. This system allows for increased genetic diversity and gives male cougars more access to potential mates, increasing their chances of reproductive success. By the time female cougars reach 2 to 3 years of age, they become reproductively mature. Female cougars are the sole providers of parental care for their cubs. Unlike other cats, male cougars are not involved in parenting and leave soon after mating. Cougars have a gestation period of roughly 3 months and can produce litter of up to 6 cubs. Cougars are remarkable mothers, providing their kittens with a safe and comfortable place to be born. They create dens lined with vegetation or moss, usually in a protected place such as a rock shelter, pile of rocks, crevice, thicket, or cave. This is where the mother cougar will give birth and then care for her kittens until they reach maturity. At birth, baby cubs are born with patterned spots that help them hide in a natural habitat. As they age, these marks slowly disappear until they reach 2.5 years, when they are no longer visible on the fur. One of the most captivating cougar facts is that their cubs are born with bright blue eyes. But many people don't realize that it takes up to 16 months for a cougar's eyes to become the iconic greenish-yellow color associated with adult cougars. Even at an early age, cougars have a remarkable level of independence. At about 40 days old, they are fully weaned from their mothers and become independent hunters. This level of commitment demonstrates the powerful bond between female cougars and their cubs. At around 2 years old, they form a pack that sticks together for protection and for better hunting. However, as these cougars reach adulthood, they tend to disperse and go their own way. Some of these cougars travel far and wide in order to establish their own territory, as they need a lot of room to roam. With the right habitat and care, cougars can live incredibly long lives in the wild. They typically live to around 10 years of age, while those in captivity can reach up to 20 years of age. With conservation efforts and proper management, we can ensure these majestic creatures continue to thrive for many years to come. Not only do they help keep ungulate populations like deer and elk in check, but they also serve to protect smaller prey species from overpopulation. It's therefore essential to understand the important role cougars play in our ecosystem in order to better manage their populations. Cougars, once abundant in North America, are now facing a number of threats that put their population in danger. Sport hunting and farmers protecting their livestock have been long known to kill cougars. In addition to this, cougars have lost much of their habitat due to human activity such as urbanization and fragmentation. Automobile accidents also cause a significant number of deaths among cougars each year. All of these factors combine to make the future for these majestic animals uncertain. Despite this decline, there are still several thousand of these animals living in the wild. As a result, cougars have been listed as being of least concern by the International Union for Conservation of Nature. We hope you enjoy the video and find it useful. If you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe so that you can stay up to date with all the latest contents we have to offer. Thanks for watching.